The U.S. EPA has published a list of approved laboratories for PFAS analysis. The most recent list to date was published on January the 10th, 2022, but it may change, so you can check this website for the most current version. But getting back to the certified labs, EPA published that list of certified labs approved for UCMR analysis, UCMR 5 analysis, which includes the 29 PFAS compounds. There are about a dozen labs that accept samples from the general public. Locations of those labs are shown on this map as of the January 10th, 2022 list. There are also a few labs that serve specific entities like the City of Houston or Orange County Water District in California or the Suffolk County Water Authority in New York State, but those labs don't generally accept samples from outside their own organization, so they're not shown on the map. Several states have started to regulate PFAS and have either adopted regulations that establish an MCL or require water systems to notify customers if PFAS is present. This map shows states as of July 22, 2021 that have adopted PFAS standards for drinking water. Since these states are regulating PFAS, they may have a list of labs certified by that state for PFAS analysis. State-certified labs are not necessarily within that state. The state may certify a lab in another state for PFAS analysis. Many of the EPA-certified labs may also be certified by individual states, or states may have certified labs that have not applied to EPA for certification. The DOI memo stated that DOI field locations are required to use a certified laboratory approved by either EPA or the state regulatory agency. Your water system may choose a state-certified lab, assuming you have a choice of lab depending on procurement procedures, if that lab meets the following criteria. There are two different methods for analyzing the 29 PFAS compounds of interest. The labs need to be certified in both methods because both methods are needed to cover all 29 compounds. EPA Method 533 covers 25 of the PFAS compounds, and EPA Method 537.1 covers an additional 4 PFAS compounds for a total of 29 compounds of interest. Some labs may have been certified for EPA Method 533, which included the compounds in the UCMR 3 sampling round, but they may not have been certified for the more recent EPA Method 537.1. That's just something to be on the lookout for when you're selecting what lab to use.